Assalamu alaikum. So you installed Primavera P6 EPPM and you forgot your username or password, or you mixed up with other things, or it was open somewhere else and you tried to open it again and you tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times and it's stuck and locked. Now, sometimes it happened, and I did this on purpose here. And if you go open advanced, you will see EPPM, it's closed. Okay, the database is closed, or the username for this database is closed. If I go and write the username and the password and go sign, this login failed. This account has been locked. Please contact your system administrator. So how can we solve that? There is one way, actually, very good one, actually. And especially if you have one user for the database. If you are the super user, this is the case here, I am the super user and one user here, and it is locked. But if you are the super user and somebody else in your team had been locked out, then you can reset their password and unlock them. Okay? So, how we can reset this locked system? The default is 5 attempt wrong, you'll be locked. This is the default setting, and it will be locked for 1 hour. So, yeah, if you wait another 1 hour, if you didn't change it, then it will be open again without all this hassle. But if you want to do your work, you can't wait another hour. So what do? Go to where you installed Primavera EPPM, the system, where you installed your software, EPPM, okay? And then go to B6 folder, and then go to admin pvcmd, the command for administrator of the Primavera, and run as administrator, okay? And tell him yes. Now, it will ask you to use the privileged user of the database, which is the privileged user, and put the password, okay? And go. Okay. Now, of course, you are forgetting also the private user, then you need to set it up again, and then you do it here. Now, you open Primavera B6 configuration, you open database, you click and right click on instance, right click, and reset login failure. All login failures successfully reset. Now let's try the username and password and sign in. It takes time, and yes, done. So by this way, we reset up the locked username, and we could lock successfully. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your support. Please subscribe and encourage us to do more videos like this. Thank you very much.